Murnewall agus inis Considine agus Catanis Lehne agus Nick Awards an Lua sector Nick Awards Shaka Hinta full second Tom Dermot Nick Awards is stick agus Tom Kate scored and Cliffy Canish Amshia Dermot Nick Awards let's score and score agus Tom Namoini Huntasa
agus tiltte go homlan na Kujamoon event also is here the video na Cholonsi a Kharina ma vi tu gola tuku imrode vi gola roich 6 meter 6 meter na marsin kun je so let shot passing te gemaakt der record on tin sin goal in bog dier gon shatain si stachen sin agus 4 roch ieroch de chin e gram o na tasha bean and long holy sin in line jede vi aan agus ge vin euro si aan
well for Derblega de gonje goeie genocht agus inis an Canis táhatí gan séisiúr sa Clifford Canish. Sa an sinnig Hannah O'Connor tá si de brúchan cín an líros fósa cusa Hannah O'Connor fósa agus tá an tú déirice brunta chuige line út Pinois de war an siar brúhí tíocht an bachas ag Liberts agus Thomas Curran.
Agus tháinig sé sin bhain troch fás an cín a chunig muid bhaid chuige mún Clifford tháinig sin a bhí Harbheith údrásach bhaid chuige line Sár chic go jo by Hannah O'Connor Hossa an Grosach Hossa the drone lean and the Grosha the Shina Ma agus an sin na the first kick Erike runni sé an Kenya cart Hossa that hold Clipper telle agus Visa Cup we dis
agus Carta Bui Brunta it's Trosnan Shawnish gedi Pierce Trosnan Lena agus and score Forte Chloe Pierce agus Dina Heisno score a Gimmerts le Caherdeg and she'll score le Chloe Pierce.
It is a bigger house shed le in Tachtan Shokati Vishi full on a Vishi Master Dossi and the house shed the Cliffy Tachtan Shokati and you roach at the Golidiana and Botun Ken reached in Tachtan Shaw Saru den Chin Capma go major go flag go a Kugel line go on cousin shed gone Himpel ach be known was larger take legal assassin chin.
Ní ggéar an líne sin a thrasnú an chungarach an is na liney agus ag dhéire an bhfuil an scór fáte tá scór fáte ag Lia Tarpey agus spéide go maiimid a bhfuil seach ag mis chum an scór ag Lia Tarpey agus sin an darna úd ag sa go mortas.
An choimir teidir tosí agus cólaíonn sin go chuige line agus tréanaíoch go deon seo. Hod ger chulle leas a want as an buntáiste sin atácub bheith gimmert le imiróir breise gus Tá riad a neidirach le chugemún an túd sin cheiltearb bhí se chamála úd chu chugemún.
Tácht a chuige line agus iad a gimmert le imiróir breise go amsa siad scór agus well bhfuil anna ceistama Hughes buntáiste lóga fól O'Brien agus an ish Dalton agus Shansek Tarpey agus Tom Dorn score den Clifford Forte ag Lia Tarpey tá sé sin go hianta cho chuige line ag túsa dar le bag na cúgnú med catse agus tá the line chun céin
agus tháinig sé sin ar fad bhaid brisíntach a rinne an thuálaí Callan a bhaidís túisce déidir le ghillas chad le wéfar agus an sin chunne sé de gunsaíon lína bán sin séidir go siar as ceapme go seans imi bhthop an sin ar a chunne sé den bhéróid chocung an tá mar fad gus ar a chuise lehan go an bear na beganí róchung ach ní sin éon lean siad leis an obbud agus úd má tiltin seáid tartaí.
agus lean láh acu bar a goran. Níróid ag cusa Hannah O'Connor ag dulchan céin. Iad Gearan líords a chuneáil Hannah O'Connor ní lána ceistama agus tá scór fáte ag Hannah O'Connor agus tá na lineíon is rád chun céin agus fech cad a chéalaíonn se an bhín sin na honadí riméadach Hannah O'Connor riméadach agus bhí sé sin ar a bheith láide.
So man críomh bhán dí crossásta pointe bóna se bheith chlánaí pointe bóna úide bheith chláirí go sinach go húdarrás a chan bhí sein rinne mu tagart chóhearí hí sein cedí anna distéis go bhana distégus well is undúil go bhíonn tú an chúg faointin sin muna dhéanaan I bhíoch práiseach ógus ba Hannah O'Connor a gcéire beidir tagartí cinnt chur suas ag banisteach rugbaí na mám beidir go cheart amsa bhir an baine le dí náisiúnta chumá.
agus Leroy's fó sacab le Behan tá sé sin go má ó Natasha Behan agus an pass amach ar an glíhan tá sean sacab an seo le ó Byrne White agus tá Elise ó Byrne White beidir héis an chríomh a grótal de chuig a lein le scóíontach ar fad crothie ag Natasha Behan agus críochnaithe ag Elise ó Byrne White agus Nelov ag na lainní ar a goran.
Fuil hans go bin a bulle marfach na mucin sin mar dúir sin an cúgiú údach an bearna sé an bearna agus stoi a fáil an túd na a bheith hasúil go nach cúgi mún an an gana máchas a líimiiste ar héin agus brúg go chinál cinnte chuir cúgi lein ní haula.
Well, nuair a bhfuil cúige mún cúige lein an seo I mé anar se caite fiche sé seachtaigh scóráil cúige lein tríúd teag an chéadú ó fihinníd agus siad cúige lein na Champini agus inis bruna Jerry Nixon ó Vodafone agus Declan Madden ón IRFU an choran ar chaptín bucha cúige lein Hannah O'Connor. Cúige lein a bú cúige lein na Champini go fiche a fiche trí.
Leah, massive congratulations. Before you catch your breath, how are you feeling?
Great, I'm feeling really good, on top of the world. I'm delighted, yeah, with that win.
Is there any aspect of the performance yourself that you're particularly happy with?
Before I came out onto the pitch today, I set goals for myself, set the standard for myself. I was like, right, I'm going to win gain line on all my carries, I'm going to break the line, I'm going to support line breaks, I just get my defence better than last week. I know I missed a couple of tackles. I said I was going to nail that today, and I'm pretty proud of myself.
Good, and crossing the whitewash not once but twice, it's pretty good going, especially away from home.
Yeah, no.
How did you find Munster? Always such a tough place to come to. What are your thoughts there?
Yeah, look, we knew that this was going to be a really tough game, and we were under no illusion that they were going to bring a fight to us. And I think we just really dug deep, and we knew the challenge ahead of us, and just worked together as a team. Came out on top.
Well, listen, not only just silverware, but Yvonne Duffy is here to present you with Player of the Match trophy. Well done.
Well done, guys. Thank you so much.
Tanya, it's been a couple of years since Leinster have got their hands on the silverware. Just how much does it mean today to get the win?
Yeah, it's amazing. If you had asked me back on our first game whether we'd get to the final, we were up. It was an uphill battle. Super excited. I'm delighted the girls came out with that great win. They played really well. They stuck to the systems in the second half. I was a bit stressed in the first half, but hey, we got silverware, so I'm delighted.
Just how much of an impact do you feel those early substitutions made on the game?
Yeah, I thought Elsa was wonderful. I asked her to get back to structures and just calm the girls down, and she did that. She literally just got the forwards into the game, into the green zone, get into the green zone and we can score. So yeah, delighted with them.
And any final thoughts on Munster ahead of the...
Yeah, like we said, Munster were going to be tough, and it's hard coming to Musgrave Park. And in fairness to the girls in blue, they came out and they got the win, so I'm delighted.
And just how hard and how big are the celebrations going to be on the bus back?
Well, I don't know, but Sean O'Brien has said he's going to open the bar up for us tomorrow, so the girls are going to have a good day tomorrow as well.
Best of luck and enjoy the Guinness.